Ever wonder if your YouTube channel is broadcasting to the world or hidden away like a secret treasure? Let's find out. First, head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Find the option that says YouTube Studio and click on that. This will take you to your channel's dashboard. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look on the left-hand side of the screen for a menu. Scroll down until you find Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Click on that. A new window will pop up with several options. Click on the second option in the list, labeled Channel. Now at the top you will see 3 options. Click on the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down this page until you find a section labeled Audience. If you had selected Yes, set this channel as made for kids, your channel would be public. If you selected No, set this channel as not made for kids, or I want to review this setting for every video, your channel is also public and viewable to everyone. So, there you have it, you've successfully checked your channel's visibility. Now go create awesome content.